a time there was a prince and was a pretty girl. Pull up in the city, it's a pity, look here come the world. All behind the tents and cat skins and living spiteful. See that prince a black man, that pretty chick a white girl. It's only one problem. Racism be like a pet cause everybody got one. It's toxic to pull you over flashlight. Not one for telling stories much, but this what happened last night. The crowd goes crazy. Knowledge is a weapon, homie, you pushing up daisies, my ladies.
Welcome guys, my name is Jack Tierney. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make incredible skate videos just using the Insta360 and your phone. All you need for this is the Insta360 camera and the invisible selfie stick. The camera actually renders out the stick in post. It looks like someone else is filming you. And the camera also has flow state stabilization built in, so it looks super smooth even when you're filming on rugged ground. All you need to do, power the camera up, make sure you take your lens cap off, and then leave the camera in automatic so it changes with the lighting environment. Start recording, you're ready to go. Have some fun. Now comes the fun part, editing the video. All you need to do is turn your camera on and turn your phone on with the Insta360 app downloaded. Connect your phone to your camera in the 360 app, open up the video that you want to edit, press add keyframe, select ViewFinder, and then use the physical movement of your phone in order to keyframe the video. The reason I love this is that it feels like an extension of skating. It's really, really smooth. You can get creative with the way that the camera moves. You can pick the frame yourself in real time, and it's almost like going skating twice. It remembers all of the movements that you just recorded by moving your phone around and seamlessly stitches them together, keeping it nice and smooth. Once you're done, press tick on your viewfinder, press export, export as a flat video, full resolution, high frame rate, high bit rate, press export, and it takes it straight to your phone. Put your favorite music over it and you're ready to go.
Once upon a time there was a prince and was a pretty girl. Pull up in the city, it's a pity, look here come the world. All behind the tents and cat skins and living spiteful. See that prince of black.
No need to use a computer. The entire process, start to finish, is from camera to phone. Incredible piece of kit and best way to make skate videos.
See that prince a black man, that pretty chick a white girl. It's only one problem. Racism be like a pet cause everybody got one. It's toxic.